317, we just hit a bird here at 2,800 feet.
ALASKA317, thanks. And do you need to come back, or is this just a small bird?
I don't know, stand by, no, it's a big one.
ALASKA317, do you want a heading?
For 317, swing an intermediate level off, and yeah, let's take a heading for right now.
ALASKA317, roger. Turn left heading 180 and maintain 546,000.
Alright, 180 and 6,000, ALASKA317. Total departure, good morning, ALASKA1366, 1,604, 7,000.
ALASKA1366, one departure, radar contact, maintain 15,000.
15,000, ALASKA1366.
ALASKA317, I know you're busy, but was it on the runway or was it airborne?
No, airborne, passing about 3,000 feet, took it dead on the nose. It was a large bird.
ALASKA317, okay, on the nose, and did they give me any other information, or if you just want to land now, or you just want to level off, just let me know.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to return for an inspection, and we're coordinating with company, and we'll let you know when we're ready to head back.
ALASKA317, okay. Turn left heading 160, I'm just going to keep you on that heading and that altitude for a while, and then just let me know what you need.
Okay, 6,000, 160 on the heading, and ALASKA317, thanks.